as you can see, I am currently stop Zadra. I'm currently dropping my back to school sale. What time is it? It is, oh, it's actually 4 o'clock. There we go. Everything published. Everything is on sale. There we go. www.bro444.com. Here we go. You see the site. Tune in. Bro444.com. I want to sit. Watch out, the cars are coming. You can sit close to it. Long journey coming here. Say hi, Zaiji. Say hi. He was eating. This nigga's filthy. Say hi. Now you want to say hi? Don't touch it. Your hands are dirty. We've arrived at the park. I know it's no intro to this vlog, but you know, there's a lot going on. We were hungry. I had to drop my thing. There's a lot going on, you know, a lot of emotions in the air. So I should start now, cause I can do that. So cool, man. Vibes, 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 vibes. I never seen a waterfall this close before. Okay, we're gonna go closer. Go closer? Go closer? Come. Go closer? You're gonna go closer. Y'all see the fit? Hold on. Yep. Y'all see the fit? Oh my, no sleeve stuff today. You know, I'm strong. Okay, we're gonna go right up to it so we can hear the real sounds of nature, of the waterfall. It's gonna get real vibey. Boom. Oh. It's so cool here. Oh. Take your shoes off, kid. My booty. Hold it.
Wait.
Hold it.
Okay.
You gotta record your face though. Your face. Record your face. You wanna go over there? On this? Go on the wall? Never paint with kids, bro. Look at this kid did, bro. No, paint. Here, paint. Look at your shirt. Yeah, paint. Yeah, paint. Here, use this one. Paint. Yeah, good job. You painting. You making a mess though. Grandma gonna beat your butt. You mess up her blanket. You gonna paint? Yep, my boy's painting. Bro, you're making a mess, bro. Look at your hands. Oh my gosh. The sign literally said, do not climb the rocks. And these niggas are literally climbing the rocks. Like these people just don't listen. Bro, you're stepping on my painting, bro. You're stepping full footprint on my painting. Full footprint.
She just said, "Look like she's going to fish." I have to bring her.
Yeah, look, bro, just look at this kid, bro. Just look at him, bro. Like, just look at him, bro. Like, just look at this belly is huge.
It looks like a smiley face on his leg.
Let me see his leg. Turn! Oh, yeah, it looks like a smiley face. You gotta see how dirty this kid. Look at this kid's arm, bro. It's all paint, bro. This kid made a mess everywhere. That's his painting. This is mine. If you can see what it says, then you're the GOAT. Comment what it says. If you know what it says, comment what it says, man. Paint everywhere, bro. The sign literally said, do not climb the rocks. And these niggas are literally climbing the rocks. Up here, sonny. Uh-oh. 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 Where you going? You trying to get down? There you go, boy. Go for daddy?
Like this.
Give me, hold on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Look at that big ass hornet. Y'all see that hornet? Shit is huge. Come on, Zaji. That's a big hornet. Come on, let's go. That's a big hornet. They got a hornet over there. That's huge. Zaji, no, he's coming, he's coming. You almost came face first for your stuff. Paintings. Zaji's painting. Did a good job. This is mine. This is Hello Kitty / Demon Kitty. You can see the tattoo matches that. Here we go. Forward. Yummy stuff.